Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video I want to talk a little bit about this brand new shop crane that I've just made, or this jib crane. I believe it's called a jib crane if I'm not mistaken. A gantry crane has 2 points of contact where jibs just swings from 1 point of contact. So I just recently made this out of some scrap pipe that I had on hand, and I needed to do this for the CNC plasma bed that I have. I need to be able to get plates off of the storage rack and get them cut down to where they'll actually fit on the table. The table that I have is a Langmuir Systems Crossfire Pro, and I got to cut down stuff to fit the size of the table, which is about 33 inches by 48. So I do have to cut stuff down. Just as a demonstration, I got a piece of 1/4 inch plate here, 4 foot by 4 foot, and it's quite a heavy piece of plate. I did buy a plate clamp, and I will tell you that this thing sucks. Don't buy the things on eBay. They're cheap, and this one's going to go back. It's already dropped plates of steel, especially at the recording of this video. It's dropped this plate like 4 times. So just FYI disclaimer there. The cheap plate clamps that you can get on eBay, not a good idea. They suck. Stay away from them. So, that might make some people unhappy, but there's an honest, unbiased review there for you. But anyways, getting on with what I'm doing. This was a pretty simple process and a simple project to actually make. All it is a smaller piece of tubing sitting in a much larger piece of tubing. This here is actually 3 inch. And the tubing that it's going into has an inside diameter of about 3 1/4, so they just kind of slip together like so. In that tube there, you might be like, well, what is it attached to at the base? This whole crane is sitting in one upright tube of the corner of an entire plate rack. Now that's where I put all my plates of steel, so it's counterbalanced by the weight of the steel that's on the rack. Now some would say that that's probably not the safest way to go. It'd be better to have some concrete in the ground and have it set up permanently. Thing is, I don't know if I want to do this permanently. I don't know if I want that thing permanently. I might come up with better options and solutions at a later date. So I don't want to do anything too permanent with this, but the steel rack itself weighs about 200 pounds, and then all the additional steel on it brings it up to about 1,800 pounds. So I got 1,800 pounds of counterbalance there for the plates of steel or anything that I might be moving and monkeying around with this thing. So why? That's a big question. Why would you make such a thing, Roy? And I've got an easy answer. I'm getting older. I don't want to be at that point in time where I make the mistake at some point to just like, I'm just going to grin and bear it, and then end up hurting my back. I already have back issues, so I don't want to get those back issues any worse by thinking you're a much younger man and you're impervious to harm. So this should take a lot of lifting and monkeying around being a one-guy shop. It should take a lot of that stress off my body, which is always good. I also have plans on building some sawhorses. I might make a video on that at some point in time, some heavy-duty sawhorses. So this way, when I bring these plates around, I can lay them down on them heavy-duty sawhorses and then cut off to size and dimension for my CNC plasma bed, the plate to actual size. So that should be a really good thing. When I do buy plate, it's in 4 by 8 sheets. Sometimes it's in 5 by 10 sheets, which are really super heavy. So I've been trying to figure out logistically how I can get things off without having the ability to have a forklift just yet for the shop. So that might be in the future, but I got a lot of siding to put on the barn and other upgrades that I have to do in the shop before I can go the route of getting a forklift or anything like that. So anyways, I just figured I'd share this real quick. It's a real quick video. I'll share some details on it. You guys have already seen some of the details, up closer shots and things. Really simple to build. It's just basically building an L and then you're supporting it. And as long as you have a place that it can swivel from. Sometimes the most ingenious solutions are the simplest ones. So just remember that. So that's it for today. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and you want to see more of my content, hit that subscribe button. And if you would like to support what we do here at Christ Center Ironworks, consider becoming a channel member at that join button down below, just like some of these fine folks that have been rolling on the screen now have done. So thank you so much to all my channel members. God bless each and every last one of you, and we'll catch you on the next one.